Hello, friends of sixth semester. Today we are meeting for the another lecture of the our course Seed Production Technology. Today we will discuss about the hybrid seed production in the crop of pigeon pea. Pigeon pea, which is also known as a tur, red gram or arhar. All are the synonymous of the pigeon pea or tur. And one my request to all of you that the hybrid seed production of the pigeon pea is not given in the course note. So please listen this lecture carefully and write down the important points of this lecture. As you know, pigeon pea or tur is important pulse crop of the Gujarat. So it is necessary to know the seed production technology of the pigeon pea crop. Now let us see how hybrid seed production is carried out in the crop of pigeon pea. Friends, all of you know that the scientific name of the pigeon pea is Cajanus cajan, which belongs to Fabaceae family. This pigeon pea crop is often cross-pollinated crop. Means some percentage of the cross-pollination may also observe. Generally, pulse crops are self-pollinated crop, but among which this tur crop is considered as a often cross-pollinated crop, and it may many times ask in the D2D exams. So tur crop is a often cross-pollinated crop. Now, how the hybrid seed production is carried out in case of the pigeon pea? For that, generally two types of the sterility systems are used. One system is the GMS, means genetic male sterility system, and another system is the CGMS system, means cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. These two systems are used in the hybrid seed production of the pigeon pea. And now I must say the ICPH8 is the first GMS based hybrid in the pigeon pea. ICPH8 is the first GMS, means genetic male sterility based hybrid in case of the tur. And one another point also keep in the mind, first CGMS based hybrid was developed by the Sardar Kushinagar Agriculture University, Datiwada, and the name of that hybrid was GTH1. GTH1 is the first CGMS based hybrid in case of the pigeon pea. Other CGMS based hybrids are ICPH 2671, means ICPH 2671, ICPH 2740, means ICPH 2740, ICPH 3762, means ICPH 3762. All these are the CGMS based hybrids in case of the pigeon pea. Now, you all know that whenever we are going to produce a certified seed, first of all we have to carry out the registration of that crop, parents, and all these things. So before producing the seed, we have to always register our hybrid seed production program, and then we have to proceed accordingly. So in case of the pigeon pea, when we are producing a certified hybrid seed production, the female parent seed rate is 4 to 5 kg per hectare. Female parent seed rate is 4 to 5 kg seed per hectare, and male seed require will be 1 to 2 kg per hectare. So female 4 to 5 kg per hectare and male 1 to 2 kg per hectare seed is required to produce the hybrid. Now the planting ratio is 4:1, means we have to show the 4 rows of the female and 1 row of the male parent to produce the hybrid seed of the pigeon pea. So for gem 1, female to male ratio should be followed in case of the pigeon pea, and all the border rows should be shown with the male parent. And one another point also keep in the mind, staggered planting of the male parent should be followed. Why we are following the staggered planting of the male? So that the pollen grain remain available throughout the flowering period of the female parent. That's why we are carrying out the staggered planting of the male parent. Spacing is 60 centimeter by 30 centimeter or 90 centimeter by 15 centimeter. Depend on the type of hybrid, soil, available resources, it should be spaced. Now, isolation distance. Isolation distance for the certified seed production is 100 meter. For certified seed, 100 meter. And for foundation seed, 250 means 250 meter isolation distance for the foundation stage. Generally, we are growing the pigeon pea crop in the month of June, July. At that time, we have to sowing operation should be carried out. Now, we are growing in the month of June, July. We are doing the hybrid seed production of the pigeon pea. So, we have to follow the rogging. As you know, rogging is always important in case of the seed production. So in case of the pigeon pea, we have to carry out the first rogging at the flowering stage, and we have to remove the pollen shedders present in the female parent, op-type plant which is not showing the appropriate flower structure character. All these plants should be removed at the flowering stage. Then second rogging is carried out at pod formation stage. At that time, we have to remove out the op-type pod, disease pod plants. Such type of op-type pod plants, disease plants should be removed. And third and final rogging is carried out at the prior to harvesting, means just before harvesting. At that time, we have to remove op-type of the plants, op-type of the pod plants, disease plants, all should be removed prior to harvest. And then we have to carry out the harvesting operation. And now, as you know, at the time of harvesting, we are always first cutting the male parent to prevent the contamination. As the male parent seed is the general seed, which is not a hybrid seed. So we have to cut the male parent first, and then we have to harvest the female parent, which is our hybrid seed. And we have to always maintain the field standard and seed standard. Now, seed standard is not in your material, so I am just speaking about the seed standard of the pigeon pea crop. So please remember, the seed standard of the pigeon pea crops are: pure seed should be 98%. Pure seed 98%. Inert matter allowed is 2%. Inert matter means kachru. It is allowed up to 2%. Then other crop seed allowed is 1%. Other crop seed 1%. Weed seed 1%. Germination percentage should be 75%. Moisture content should be 8%. So these are the seed standards of the pigeon pea crop. So friends, I have given you the highlights of the hybrid seed production of the tur crop, and I think you have learned very well regarding the hybrid seed production of the tur crop. And so friends, in this way we are completing our 6 importance crop of the Gujarat for the hybrid seed production. And friends, suppose you have any problems regarding our course, please contact me. My number is 990-422-9400, And friends, I have given you the course note which is available on your WhatsApp group. So please read accordingly, and suppose you have any questions, you can ask me by WhatsApp or by calling. So friends of the 6th semester, in this way we are completing our course of the seed production technology in the 6th semester. I hope you will prepare very well and your performance will be very good in the examination. Namaskar. Thank you.